Good morning. What's your overall equipment effectiveness like today? I can see the red lights on. The OEE can't be doing that good. What's the story with it? Thanks for the update. Hey, good afternoon. I was curious, what barriers are impacting production today? Hey, thanks for the update. Hey, good afternoon. Do you have any ideas or suggestions that can help us with our output? I like that. Let me go look into that.
The future is bright and robots are cool, but we're not quite there yet. Here's where we're at today.